Good afternoon, everyone. Back again. So today, hopefully this will be quick. I had bought this tool. I have it on here. To check the tensioner. What is this tool called? It's called belt tensioner gauge. So I printed out the page. I wanted to see what my tension was. I never really checked it. I trusted Backwoods Outdoor Center when they set up my mower. I haven't had any issues with the belts, but since I bought this tool, and this tool is about almost $200, but I found one on eBay and got a deal on it. I guess someone bought it and didn't really use it. I don't know how much I'd be using it, but I didn't pay $200 for it. So based on the instructions, you want to drop the deck all the way down. So I'll go to the other side here. So the deck is down to its lowest. It's down to like, I guess, 1, 2, whatever that may be. Where you set your tensioning is right here. If I had to change it, you use a 9/16 inch socket to loosen the locking one. You loose this first one, and then you would either tighten or loosen the other one to adjust it the way you need it. Some people say one of the rule of thumb is to be able to fit a credit card into these slots, which it looks like I might can. So here's the discrepancy I see here. Let me go back over here. So Bad Boy says at the lowest setting, it should be between 70 and 75. Now, I've never cut it at this low setting, but if you look here, it looks like it's at about 90. It's in that black area. So I don't know if that's good or bad. I'm going to reach out to Backwoods Outdoor Center tomorrow and ask the question. But so this is all the way at the lowest. I normally cut around 4.25 or right after the 4. So I'm going to raise it and see what the tension is there. I know it doesn't, I know that's not what Bad Boy recommends in regards to how to test the tensioning, but I just wanted to see if the tensioning is still at 90 or if it gets less. And it may not make a difference. If I need to adjust this, I will. But before I touch it, I want to talk with them first and make sure. But this is the tool. It's not too easy to use. You see, I put it on first. You have to kind of squeeze this in, and you have to kind of use two hands. Well, I have to use two hands unless I bought a defective one, but it's hard to take it off. But the way it works is you push this in, and you have to kind of get it in between the belt. And these belts are thick, so it doesn't, you have to kind of use two hands to get it in between the belts. And I find that this part here, you want to go on the flat side of the belt, not the inside of the belt. So let me raise it up and see what the tension is there. Okay, so I raised it to, let me just show you my setting real quick. I raised it to here. Let's see here. It's normally what I cut at right there. So you have that. All right. And then let me put this back, see if I can show you how to use this tool. It's not that easy. So like I said, you have to put both hands on it and kind of get this thing underneath it. Okay, so I'm at 70 at my height, right? So I don't know if you can see that, but I'm around 70 at the height I cut the grass at. So like I said, I will reach out to my dealer, ask them what they set it to and what their recommendation is. And if it's off, I'll also post this video. That way I can share it with them. And if, or they may tell me I may be using the tool wrong. But either way, I will put in the comments what feedback I get back from my dealer. If they say that 90 is good, then I'm going to leave it, because again, I've maybe had about 10 cuts, no slipping, no squeaking, no problems. So I don't want to make an adjustment and then cause problems. And again, like I said, all the way down, it looks like that spring, you could fit a credit card. I don't have my wallet on me, so it looked like you could fit a credit card in between the spring when it's all the way down. So that's another way to check it from what I see on from what I read. So again, thank you for your time. I'll leave something in the comments within the next couple days once I hear back from my dealer. And I just wanted to get this out there. I did buy the tool, but I never really used it. Actually, I tried to use it once and it was tough. And today I said I finished up my mulch and I just wanted to just double check. And so, all right, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will definitely leave a comment with the feedback. Thank you very much for your time.